All right, so we are making this second video.
Second video.
Because, for our giveaway, because something kind of bad happened.
Yeah.
Because there was this like scammer.
I know someone created a fake account of ours.
Yup.
They use our picture, our profile picture, but if you look into their profile, they don't have all our details like our videos.
And here, I'll show you guys who the scammers are. So they're using our profile picture, but it has a text number, and we actually called the text number, and then it went straight to voicemail. So that's them right here. Don't listen to them. These guys are all fake.
Yeah, and they also try to comment to or reply to all the comments. When I got the notification, I only got 2 notifications, but then when I checked, they commented to like 30 plus comments.
Yes, so disregard that.
Yeah.
We already reported it and blocked them.
it. So if you see it, if someone is trying to create another account of ours, please report and block
Yes,
them.
please, because
Yeah.
they're fake. And
Yeah.
we're the real ones.
Yeah.
So don't fall for them. Don't give out your information to them. Don't give anything to them because that's bad. Or let's say there's gonna since we block these scammers, there might be another scammer that might come. Because this is just the beginning. This is just our first giveaway.
I know.
After this, we're gonna do another giveaway for our 2,000 subscriber, and we're still thinking which one we're planning on giving away. So be careful of other scammers using our profile pic or using the Bronco,
or using
anyone.
us.
So just to be 100% sure that it's coming from us, check our profile. It'll have all our videos, and I'll have all of you guys as our subscribers. Another thing too is,
we are not going to reply to all of your comments on our giveaway video. So what we're going to
just
do...
on the giveaway video.
just a giveaway. Because we usually comment back right away to all of your comments to us. So just the giveaway video, we're not going to comment back until we hit that 1,000 subscribers.
It has to be 1,000. Not right now. We're almost at 1,000.
Yeah, we're almost there. So we're going to comment back or reply back to your comment after we reach 1,000.
Yes.
And that will be the winner of our giveaway.
Yeah. So if you guys, if the winner has Instagram, that would even be better. So we could DM you.
Yeah, reach out to you directly, or maybe like video call with you.
Or something.
Yeah.
And just to let you guys know that it's us, you guys will know that it's really us too on Instagram, because you could see our profile, our
information,
all our information, subscribers. So it's not someone trying to fake us also too on Instagram, because there's a lot of them out there too. So.
Yeah. So just be wary. We wanted to make this video as a form of awareness. To everyone. Don't give out your personal information.
Please don't. Yeah, because we will never ask for your personal information. Yeah. But if you win,
obviously we're gonna connect with you. We'll reach out to you, and we're probably just gonna ask your shipping address,
and that's it.
Yeah.
All right.
All right.